Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Thursday, July 17, 2025. We'll be covering market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Key tech indexes hit new highs today. The Nasdaq 100 and the Nasdaq Composite Index each rose 0.74%, marking their fourth consecutive up day. The technology sector gained 0.89%, while the healthcare sector dropped 1.1%. Market breadth was strongly positive today. The Nasdaq 100 saw 71 stocks advance versus 28 declining. The Nasdaq Composite showed even broader strength with 2,106 advancers compared to 913 decliners. Year-to-date returns showed tech leading the way. The technology sector leads with an 11.8% gain, followed by the Nasdaq 100 at 9.8%. Meanwhile, the healthcare sector has declined 3.7%. Among top tech performers, Dayforce led with a 4.1% gain, breaking out after 3 days of flat trading. First Solar rose 4%, while Teledyne Technologies hit a new all-time high, climbing 3.5%. Looking at weekly returns, First Solar leads with a 6.8% gain, followed by Teledyne Technologies at 5.3%. Dayforce shows strength this week despite being down 20% year-to-date. Among declining tech stocks, Micron Technology fell 2.7% with strong downward volatility. EPAM Systems dropped 1.4%, while Skyworks Solutions declined for its fifth consecutive session. Weekly performance shows Micron Technology down 9%, despite being up 34% year-to-date. EPAM Systems continues its decline, now down nearly 30% this year. Nasdaq ETFs showed broad strength with multiple new highs. QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology both reached new highs for the third and second consecutive days respectively. VanEck Semiconductor also achieved a new peak. The leveraged 3x bullish QQQ gained 2.3%, while 3x bearish QQQ hit new lows. Weekly returns highlight strong momentum, with 3x bullish QQQ leading at 4% gains. Vanguard Information Technology shows impressive year-to-date returns of 10.3%, while VanEck Semiconductor outperforms with a substantial 20.5% gain this year. 3x bearish QQQ has declined 40% year-to-date.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Microsoft hit a new all-time high at 511.70, showing very strong upward momentum. Alphabet maintained its positive trend, closing higher for the seventh consecutive day. Amazon and Meta platforms showed mixed performance. Year-to-date returns show divergent performance. Microsoft leads with a 21.4% gain, while Meta Platforms has gained 19.8%. Apple lags with a minus 16.1% return. Alphabet shows the strongest week-to-date average daily return at 0.46%. In semiconductor stocks, SmartKem surged 37% to 1.12. Indie Semiconductor jumped 10% amid strong upward volatility. Scantech AI Systems and Atomra both gained nearly 9%, with Atomra breaking out from recent sideways movement. Week-to-date returns highlight Indie Semiconductor's strength, up 27.8%. SmartKem shows a 13.1% gain this week, despite a challenging year-to-date decline of 61.4%. Atomera and Blaze both show positive weekly momentum. Cloud computing leaders showed strength today. Shopify surged 5.6% with strong upward volatility. Oracle reached new all-time highs for the second consecutive day. Synopsys and Twilio maintained very strong positive trends. Shopify leads weekly returns at 13.1%. Oracle shows impressive year-to-date gains of 49.3%. Synopsys and Twilio both maintain double-digit month-to-date returns, while NetApp lags with modest gains. AI and robotics stocks showed broad strength. Ambarella gained 4% in its third consecutive up-day. AeroVironment rose 3.5%. Symbotic reached a one-year high for the third straight day, maintaining its strong upward trend. Symbotic leads with impressive returns, 128.5% year-to-date and 39.5% month-to-date. AeroVironment shows strong performance with an 81% year-to-date gain. Ambarella and Zebra Technologies show positive weekly momentum despite year-to-date declines. Thematic ETFs in AI and robotics showed strong gains today. Robotics and AI and automation bull-twax led with a 3.9% rise to 22.51, breaking upward after being flat. Spear Alpha ETF achieved a new all-time high, while Nasdaq AI and robotics hit a one-year high. Week-to-date returns have been impressive across the sector. Robotics and AI and automation bull-twax posted a 5.5% gain, while Spear Alpha ETF achieved a 4.8% return. Robotics and automation maintained steady momentum with consistent positive daily returns. Electric vehicle stocks surged today, led by Lucid, with a dramatic 36.2% jump to 3.12. Li Auto continued its impressive run, up 6.6% to 31.36, marking its ninth consecutive positive close. NIO gained 7% amid strong upward volatility. Returns analysis shows Lucid leading month-to-date with a 47.9% gain. Li Auto has maintained strong momentum with a 15.7% monthly return. NIO has accumulated a 28.3% gain this month, showing consistent strength. Quantum computing stocks showed remarkable strength, with D-Wave Quantum surging 13.7% to a new all-time high of 19.24. Quantum computing gained 7.4%, while Rigetti computing rose 3.5% amid strong upward volatility. The sector's week-to-date performance has been exceptional. Rigetti computing leads with a 40.7% gain, followed by D-Wave Quantum at 29.9%. Quantum computing has maintained steady growth with a 13.4% weekly return. Solar stocks showed significant gains today, led by Beam Global with a remarkable 38% surge to 2.83. Vivo Power International rose 8.7% with strong upward volatility, while Sunation Energy broke out of a 23-day consolidation with an 8.6% gain. Week-to-date performance highlights Beam Global's exceptional 72.6% gain. Vivo Power International has accumulated a strong 29.5% return, while year-to-date shows an impressive 405% gain. Sunation Energy reversed its downward trend with recent positive momentum. Thematic tech ETFs showed strong momentum today. Invesco DWA Technology Momentum ETF led the group, rising 2% to 69.52 with a strong upward trend. ARK FinTech Innovation ETF reached new one-year highs for the second consecutive day, closing at 54.42, up 1.9%. Looking at weekly returns, ARK FinTech Innovation shows impressive performance with a 6.7% gain. Year-to-date, it leads the pack with a remarkable 46.9% return. Invesco DWA Technology Momentum follows with a strong 5.8% weekly return, though it remains down 4.2% year-to-date.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.